Okay, so here we've got a bit of a harder simultaneous equation question. And what we have to do is we actually have to make the simultaneous equation up. So it's got a little bit of a twist in it. So what we've got is the scenario is I've got some 10-cent coins and some 20-cent coins. I've got a total of 7 coins, and when I add them up, it comes to $1 or 100 cents. So first of all, what I do in this case, I have to make a statement. I need to say, let x equal number of 10-cent coins. Okay, x is the number of 10-cent coins. Meanwhile, I need to say, let y equal number of 20-cent coins. Okay, so if I said, well, how much have I got in 10-cent coins? It's going to be 10 cents times the amount of coins that I've got. That's how much money I'll have in 10-cent coins. So what I can say here, I'll start with this one, the amount of 10-cent coins times 10, so 10 multiplied by the amount of 10-cent coins I've got, plus 20 times the amount of 20-cent coins I've got. Well, what do they add up to? They add up to 100. Okay. Now, let's tackle this bit. I have a total of 7 coins. So x is the amount of 10-cent coins I've got, and y is the amount of 20-cent coins I've got. So what I know is the amount of 10-cent coins I've got plus the amount of 20-cent coins is 7. So therefore I write x plus y equals 7. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is just going to solve the simultaneous equation. So I'm going to cancel out the x's, so I need to change this into 10x. So I need to multiply all this by 10. So I end up with 10x plus 10y equals 70. And I'm going to bring this down here. Okay, now just don't forget, you can subtract upwards with simultaneous equations. And that's what I'm going to do here, so I can avoid any negative numbers. So when I subtract these, they cancel out. When I subtract these, that's going to give me 10y. Subtract these, 100 minus 70 is 30. Divide both sides by 10. So y is 3. So what this means is I know that I've got 3 20-cent coins. So now I can now substitute this back into maybe there. So if y is 3, x is 4. So I know x equals 4. So that means that I've got 4 10-cent coins and I've got 3 20-cent coins. Okay, now a lot of these you can just possibly look at this and just say, okay, yeah, I can just do it by trial and error, and you can, but that's not what the whole intention is. The whole intention is to use a simultaneous equation to solve these. Okay.